a capacitor, when filled with a dielectric, the capacitance increases to K times the original capacitance. So now in this case, what is happening? We can treat this as one capacitor C1 and this as another capacitor which is C2, and both of them, they are connected in series. Okay, so now for C1, if you see, what is the capacitance for C1? It's going to be C1 is equal to epsilon naught, because there is no dielectric there, into A divided by D by 2. Now why D by 2? Because now the separation has decreased to D by 2. C2 becomes epsilon naught into A, okay, divided by D by 2 also, but now it will also get multiplied with K, because it's K times C naught, so K is 4. So this is basically 8 epsilon naught A by D. Now the equivalent capacitance is 1 upon C, because they are connected in series, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2, which is equal to, now this can be written as 2 epsilon naught A by D. So therefore now it's 1 upon C1. So therefore this is D upon 2 epsilon naught A plus D upon 8 epsilon naught A. So this becomes D by 2 epsilon naught A 1 plus 1 upon 4, which is D upon 2 epsilon naught A into 5 by 4. So therefore the capacitance becomes 8 by 5 epsilon naught A upon D. Okay. Now what is the ratio of the new capacitance to the original capacitance? So this is the new capacitance, and old, because previously there was no dielectric in the entire capacitance, so therefore old capacitance was simply epsilon naught A by D. Okay, so therefore C new is actually 8 upon 5 to C old. Okay, so therefore the answer is going to be B. Again I repeat, so what we did was we treated now this capacitor as a combination of two capacitors, C1 and C2. C1 is the capacitance of the half of the entire capacitor, half which is not filled with dielectric. So therefore the separation becomes D upon 2, and therefore epsilon naught A divided by D upon 2. Now another half is filled with dielectric, so therefore it's K times epsilon naught A divided by D by 2. So this comes out to be 8 epsilon naught A by D. This is 2 epsilon naught A by D. Now we understand that both of them, they are in series, so therefore we take the help of this formula and ultimately we get this result.